Welcome to Vansah. In this video, we'll explore Vansah's Test Case Assignee feature and how it helps you manage test cases against their linked requirements. Here we're viewing a test case within a Jira Work item. You'll notice the assignee field is visible within the grid. You can also update the assignee directly from the test case design view. The assignee displayed here is the same as the one previously shown in the grid view, and it represents the requirement from which the test case was opened. To help you identify the requirement, it's displayed in the top navigation menu. Similar to the grid view example shown earlier, you can click on the assignee field and search for any person to assign the test case to. Changing the assignee will only change the person assigned to the test case, which is linked to the requirement. The same test case, if it is linked to other requirements, will not be impacted. You've now seen how easy it is to manage your test case assignee directly from the test case grid and design view in Vansah. For more tips and updates, explore our Vansah Help collection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.